What is your favorite four-letter word? Hi, I'm Wayne Morgan. This is Wayne's Wealth and the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. This is the learn to use it part. We are taught to not use four-letter words, but there are a few useful four-letter words I think we should all know and use frequently. The C word and the F word should all become part of your everyday vocabulary. What is the C word I'm referring to? Cash, followed by the F word, flow. Have you ever heard the saying, cash is king? Cash is not king. Cash flow is king. What are the worst two four-letter words? One is work. What are we taught? Exchange labor for money. If you want money, what do? Work. If you want more money, what do? Work more. Work harder. Get some OT. If you want more, work more. Well, what if there was a way to get paid without working? What if you could work one time and get paid over and over? You can, and that's the point of investing. Instead of working, you put your money to work for you. That's what the Principles of Investing class is all about. Changing the way we think and learning how to make low-risk, high-return decisions that create an unending stream of cash flow that flows in monthly without working for it. What's the second worst four-letter word? Wait. Properties all around you are being bought and sold right now, creating cash flow for those who know how to calculate returns, measure risk, and follow proven formulas that work. Why are you working hard to make someone else rich when you could take this class, create cash flow for yourself, and stop working altogether? What are you waiting for?